Hello everybody. For this video I'm going to be walking everybody through a tutorial for Sun Salutation A. I use Sun Salutation A for my beginner vinyasa class, and I use Sun Salutation A and B for my intermediate and advanced classes. I will be doing a tutorial for Sun Salutation B in another video, so watch out for that. But for now I'm going to walk everybody slowly through a Sun Salutation A. So for Sun Salutation A, we start at the top of the mat with our feet together. Stand up tall, relax your shoulders down. Bring your palms to the center of the heart in prayer pose. And for each move there's an inhale and an exhale. So I will be walking everybody through step by step what corresponds with the inhale and what corresponds with the exhale. So for the first inhale, from prayer pose, we want to inhale, swing the arms up to the sides, up over the head, and your palms touch above your head with your fingers spread, and you want to look towards your thumbs with your shoulders relaxed down. And then for the next exhale, we want to swan dive forward, our hands come to the side, palms come to the mat, and your head comes down last for this forward fold. The next inhale, we want to inhale into a flat back or halfway lift. And your fingertips can be on the mat, or you can bring your hands to your shin, whichever you prefer. Either one is correct. I like to have my fingertips to the mat. So that's the next inhale. The next exhale, you want to have your hands flat again. Bring your right foot back, and then your left foot back into a plank. And continuing the exhale, you want to exhale down to Chaturanga. Chaturanga is kind of like a half push-up, and you don't want to stay here for too long, and you don't stay here for too long in the Sun Salutation. I just wanted you to see what it looks like. From this Chaturanga, you want to push yourself up into an upward facing dog. For this upward facing dog, for my Sun Salutation A, you want to have everything hovering off the ground, and you want to be on the top parts of your feet. And you don't want to be looking up too far, you want to just look straight ahead. From here, you're going to exhale into a downward facing dog. And in your first downward facing dog of the day for Sun Salutation A or whatever it is, you may want to pedal your legs a little bit. That always feels good to kind of warm up the legs and the knees and the hamstrings and everything. And in this downward dog, you want to take about 5 breaths. You want to relax your head down. You want to spread your fingers and spread your toes. Bring your hips back. It doesn't matter if your heels touch. That's perfectly okay. Eventually your heels may touch, or eventually they may not touch. And you want the weight in your downward dog to be on the balls of your toes and on the balls of your fingers, but really your index finger and your thumb is where you want most of the weight. So after your 5 breaths, at the end of your exhale, you want to bend your legs and you want to just step to the top of the mat. Your next inhale is a flat back or halfway lift. Again, with your fingertips on the mat or on your shin. Your next exhale is going to be another forward fold. Your next inhale is going to be rising all the way up. Palms touch overhead. Look at your thumbs, relax your shoulders down, and then exhale, swing your arms all the way down to your sides and bring them back to the heart center. And that's the Sun Salutation A. I'm going to walk everybody through 2 more at a regular pace. So if you want to follow with me, you can. So everybody bring the hands to their hearts. Inhale, swing the arms up, palms touch overhead, look at your thumbs, relax your shoulders. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank and Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Let your head hang heavy. Bring back your hips. And at the end of your next exhale, we'll look forward, bend your knees, and just step to the top of the mat. Feet together. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up to standing. Palms touch overhead. And exhale, arms swing down to the side. And palms touch to the heart. One more time. Inhale, arms swing up. Palms touch overhead. Look at your thumbs. Relax your shoulders. Exhale, forward fold. Palms to the mat. Head comes last. Inhale, halfway lift. Flatten your back. Look a little bit forward. Exhale, step back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. And for this last downward dog, everybody just really hold still in the pose. Focus on your breathing. Focus on relaxing your head. And really holding the pose strong. And at the end of your next exhale, bend your knees. Step forward to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise up to standing, palms touch overhead. Look at your thumbs. Exhale, arms swing down to the sides and palms to the chest. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. I will answer all of your questions. And thank you very much. Stay tuned for another tutorial for Sun Salutation B, which is similar to Sun Salutation A, but a little bit more complex. So thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day.